I've got nothing left, and the moon's dead. While the sun's sitting on
Fizemos para a albergaria.
Então vocês cá passaram no Salgueiro.
Vocês passaram os
if time as you're fading out of sight. You're just a star among the night. How can I keep on when no one sings his song? And I miss almost every line. Just trying to feel more alive, to feel more to feel more alive. And I keep running on the hope I'll see you on the other side. I'm reminded every day they have me piloting these skies. I look out across the clouds and hope someday I'll see you fly. Oh,
They used to grow fields, crop fields. So they,
Then they make an alliance with the Kingdom of Aragon, which is the area of Barcelona, and he went there to meet Dona Leonor, which was supposed to be his wife. But when they arrived there,
tem giro no final? Tem mesmo, sério?
Have you ever went to Orbit? No.
muito.
Jogar mais bastante chocolate.
Saúde.
Yeah, saúde. Ela adora beber bebidas alcoólicas. Ela gosta mesmo de beber.
Olha, o Bernardinho.
Há aqui uma pessoa que está à espera que sobre o pedido. E eu não vou apontar o dedo a ninguém.
Eu não sei.
Vamos deixar ao critério.
Quem é que é o gajo que fica sempre dos bufês até?
Isto não é buffet, Coutinho. Isto é buffet. Eu vou gravar uma imagem mental, olha. Clique. Pronto, está gravado.
Não queria ir para a indústria.
E o governo faz desenvolvimento da tecnologia sobre
Ia para o sítio que parece melhor.
e tudo. E vai fazer o
Lead me through the deep valleys, through the coldest of nights. Make the way clear and straight to the dawn.
friend of ours. Also Ricardo.
Lead me to the still waters, flowing my fields of peace, where the shadows hold no dangers and my fears, my troubles cease. It's a narrow road, but I'm bound to go. I want to see your face once more. It's a long way home, but I've got to go. I want to see your face, my Lord. Let my heart sing in mourning of your faithfulness and love, to sing your praise all my days, and all my soul is not time enough. It's a narrow road, but I'm bound to go. I want to see your face once more. It's a long way home, but I've got to go.
We probably close that. It's okay. That's just Gameiro stupidity.
Stop breaking.
The one with no flavor. The facturas with the artificial. Like for a dessert or something, but now a shot of tequila would be nice. What I said, the skinny ones are also too.
The small.